We have a Carrier Infiniti system. We just got a code 84 high pressure lockout for 4 hours. We just had the system repaired for a code 82 and it is regularly serviced.
Do you know the model of your Carrier HVAC unit? How old is it?
25 VNA installed in April 2014.
How long has this been going on with your Carrier unit? What have you tried so far?
We just got the code. We turned the power off to the system and we are waiting 30 minutes. We checked the outside unit, which obviously isn't running.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
We purchased this home almost a year ago and have had nothing but issues with this high-end system. It has been serviced every 6 months, and was evaluated as recently as a month ago when the unit shut down for another code.
Hello, my name is Amber. I am a Lennox dealer in Oregon. What is your questions exactly? I know how frustrating a system with constant issues is. It's happened to me for sure.
We want to know what could cause this code. Our compressor is not dirty. We did turn the system back on after 30 minutes and it cooled, but the fan ran for an exceptionally long time. The system is a Carrier though, not Lennox.
My name is I am happy to assist you today. Heating and air conditioning has been my specialty for 46 years, so not much I can't solve if given the opportunity. The most common cause of your problem is a refrigerant issue or fan not moving enough air across outer coil. Does fan outside stay on until unit throws the code? Code can be caused by fan stopping, dirty coil or stuck metering device.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.